का full the approx temperature right now in US, in your state, in your place? Any idea?
93 Fahrenheit.
93 Fahrenheit. All right. Thank you. So everyone, so Chris is somewhere in US, and there is the Celsius. They don't use. They have a degree Fahrenheit. मेरा spelling गलत है शायद. Okay. So in India we have degree centigrade. So I want that if 93 is the degree Fahrenheit in US, what will be the degree centigrade in temperature? So we have a formula for that. I have said that A is a temperature in centigrade. Everyone. So what is the input? Let me check here directly on a Google in front of you so that you will be quite clear what will be the answer. Because we have both the conversion available in Google very easily. Look at this, 0 equal to 32. Or vice versa also you can check. And here is the formula. Everyone, can you see? 9 by 5 into degree centigrade plus 32. Wow, so my formula was correct and I did not make mistake. Good. Okay, so now what will be the answer? If I enter here, let's say 20 degree, here will be 68. And Chris said that there is a temperature called 93 degree, he said that. So let me increase here by 25, 77, it's let's say 30, 86, wow, 32, 89, and then 35. Chris, is this the temperature? Are you sure? 35 degree there?
Yeah, sometimes it be 35 Celsius.
Oh.
Not every time. Today is like some 93.
Okay. Everyone, are you getting me here? 34. This could be the answer. Yeah, I am reaching very close to that. So 34 degrees centigrade supposed to be, if I enter as an input, your answer supposed to be 93.2. Let me note down here. If I enter degree centigrade as 34, my answer supposed to be, everyone, 92, 93, sorry, 32, 34, 93.2. Got that. All right. So now let's see. Everyone, let's see that. Kavya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Pranali.
Yes, sir.
You people always, have a doubt कि भाई C programming कहाँ पे use होता है. So can you see the real example of that I am showing right now? That see, when I have something here, automatically answer is coming. Is that automatic or background में some program is running, Kavya?
Background में program running हो रहा है.
Right, Pranali?
Yes, sir.
And can we do that program? Because we know the formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. And Pranali, can you write 9 by 5 and 9 by 5.0 will you write in this formula? 9 by 5 and 9 by 5.0?
9 by 5.
Then integer divided by integer remains integer. Then answer will be 9 by 5 will be 1, not 1.32. Are you getting
9 by 5.0.
Yeah, 9 by 5.0. Again, you are mistaking that integer divided by integer will be always integer. All right. So how will I write the formula? What is my input, everyone, by the way, for this program? Kavya, what is the input and what will be the output?
Sir, input will be
Degree centigrade.
degree centigrade.
But A or B in this formula, A or B, what is the input?
Sir, A will be input.
Perfect. And what will be the output? B.
B will be output.
तो scanf में A लिखोगे या B लिखोगे?
A.
Very good. Help me out now. क्या लिखूं मैं printf में? काव्या B online. बोलो क्या लिखूं? Enter the temperature in?
Temperature in centigrade.
In centigrade. All right. And what I supposed to write scanf?
Enter temperature in Fahrenheit.
Oh man, no. Listen that. What is the purpose of scanf? Scanf का purpose क्या है?
Find the answer at the runtime.
No, not at all. Find the answer नहीं है. What is the purpose of scanf, Chris? What is the purpose of scanf?
For giving a output.
No, not at all. For output, we have a printf. I have written in my previous example what is the scanf is doing. Let me show you that. Somewhere here, look at this. You have not written in that case. I am telling to everyone, scanf is a library function used to take input from the user at runtime, not for output, input. Kavya,
Yes, sir.
आपका इनपुट के लिए यूज होगा कि आउटपुट के लिए यूज होगा?
Input.
इनपुट ए में स्टोर करना है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ए का डेटा टाइप इंट रखूं मैं
Yes, sir.
एंड बी का डेटा टाइप फ्लोट रखूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूं स्कैनफ में? बोलो. It is okay if you are wrong, but say something.
Percent D.
Person D, very good. Comma.
Address mark and A.
A, right, good. And what will be the formula? Now, Pranali, tell me what is the formula for B? Although formula is written on the top, but I have to manipulate that formula. Tell me now.
9.0
Very good.
divide by 5.0.
Or can I write Pranali only 9 by 5.0?
Yes, sir.
Because
Okay.
integer divided by float will work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, into,
Into A,
right,
sir,
plus,
32.
good. Let me check. And then what I supposed to write as a printf? Manan, what I supposed to write printf? Manan, are you there? All right, let's wait and give an opportunity to someone else. Tejas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
तेजस बताना मुझे क्या लिखूं मेरा printf statement?
Sum is percent D.
टेम्परेचर इन डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट ऐसा कुछ लिखो, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा,
हाँ चलेगा, हाँ सर.
है ना? डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग था, मुझे देखना था उधर. I wanted to see. Take just a minute, हाँ. किधर गया? FAH है.
REN.
हाँ, HEIT. HEIT. Wow. स्पेलिंग है फ़ारेनहाइट. Yes, is क्या लिखो?
Percent F.
परसेंट है. ये क्या बोल रहा है? रीड में क्यों दे रहा है? देखते हैं क्या. ठीक है, छोड़ो. परसेंटेज एफ, ओके. एंड वेरिएबल नेम
Comma.
B.
हाँ.
B. All right, good. And let me try.
Sir.
So,
सर.
हाँ,
सर ये B is equal to float क्यों नहीं लिखा?
जैसे पहले प्रोग्राम में किया था वैसे.
because here I got an opportunity to do here, मैंने 5/0 कर दिया,
Okay.
and still if you want you can,
Okay sir.
आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because I got, that's why I said 9/5.0 हो गया. See, either you have to write int by float or float by int, or as Pranali said float by float, और दोनों a by b है तो आगे float bracket में डाल दो, 4 में से कोई एक. And why should I compile and run? You guys try on, everyone. Write it down main. काव्या लिखना अभी ये प्रोग्राम अभी, और इतना
Okay,
बड़ा
sir.
टाइम, and don't waste your time to write this much big message. खाली छोटा सा मैसेज लिख दो.
Okay sir.
टेम्परेचर इन डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, टेम्परेचर इन डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, ये आंसर आना चाहिए. और इफ यू एंटर 34, योर आंसर सपोज टू बी 93.2. लेट्स चेक whether answer is coming or not.
Okay.
सर
या
सर आपने इसमें इंट मेन क्यों नहीं लिया?
लेना है ना, मैंने नहीं लिखा. यू हैव टू ट्राई, सब लिखना है आपको. एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू राइट द वे आई हैव रिटन, प्लस यू हैव टू राइट मेन एंड वो रिटर्न 0, सब कुछ लिखना है. एवरीथिंग, हेडर फाइल एंड एवरीथिंग
सी प्रोग्रामिंग के हर उसमें इंट मेन आएगा ही सर.
कंपल्सरी.
ओके सर.
Good question. Keep asking so that you're solved, doubt solved. Next Sunday we are not keeping. After that we will have a lecture. Next Sunday I'll remind through my staff that no lecture.
सर
Yes.
प्रोसेस फिनिश्ड विद एग्जिट कोड -11 बता रहा है.
-11 बता रहा है बिकॉज मेरा स्कैनएफ, आपका स्कैनएफ देखो कैसा है, रॉन्ग है क्या, एम्परसेंड डाला है, एवरीथिंग. यू हैव एंटर्ड 34 तो उसका -11 आया.
एक सेकंड.
हाँ, चेक करो आराम से, डोंट बी इन हरी.
Degree Fahrenheit is.
Anyone got the answer? You can try now and let me know in the chat box.
Sir, what will be the project name?
Anything, जो भी नाम देना है तो बिंदास.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I'm opening the app, sir, let's get started. Sir, मैंने टेम्परेचर रखा है, टेम्परेचर ये फाइल का नेम.
हाँ.
एंड सर जब पहले मैंने स्टार्ट किया था ना, तब सर सब कुछ दिखाया था. अभी सर इसमें कुछ ऐसा दिखा ही नहीं रहा है कुछ भी. इंक्लूड हैशटैग इंक्लूड स्टूडियो ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा है सर.
अभी आपके स्क्रीन पे क्या है?
अभी है मेरे स्क्रीन पे सी टेम्परेचर मेरी फाइल और सी convert.c.
तो convert.c पे क्लिक करो.
सर किया.
ओपन हुआ फाइल?
यस सर, ओपन हुआ. हेलो डिकोडर प्रिंट एफ हेलो डिकोडर.
हाँ, तो वो उसकी जगह अभी अपना कोड लिखो.
ओके.
Yes, anyone got the answer?
Sir, I got.
हाँ. 30 का 82.5 आया. तेजस रॉन्ग है.
सर 86 आया और 34 का 93.19.
परफेक्ट. 34 का ही देखना. 34 का एक ही वैल्यू 93.2.
93.19 है सर.
हाँ 199 वही हो गया ना.
हाँ ओके सर.
That's almost too close. Yeah, good.
ओके सर.
Okay, I'll explain Manan again. Don't worry. Run program first, everyone. By entering 34, you're supposed to get the answer as 93.199 or 93 point something. Manan, you sent a screenshot. I'll check.
सर.
हाँ बोलो. एरर आ रहा है?
सर नहीं, वो मैंने void में लिखा, मेरे को वार्निंग्स आ रहे दो. अनरीचेबल कोड और फंक्शन शुड बी रिटर्न अ वैल्यू. वो गेट्स
वो
के
ठीक है.
दो
वार्निंग इज ओके. वार्निंग इज ओके. लेकिन एरर डिवीजन का आ रहा था, वो सब सॉल्व हो गया?
हाँ वो सब सॉल्व हो गया सर. वो सब कुछ
तेरा कोड का कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. सब ब्लैक ब्लैक दिखता है भाई.
मेरा.
कलर वाला. हाँ मतलब मुझे कुछ मैसेज ही नहीं दिख रहा है. आई मीन कोड तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. प्रिंट एफ के बाद वाला रेड कलर या एकदम डार्क कलर है ऐसा कुछ. तो आई कांट सी योर कोड. 34 किया तो माइनस एंटर. मतलब प्रिंट एफ स्कैनर में क्या लिखा है वही मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. परसेंटेज डी लिखा है, एम्परसेंट ए लिखा है, देन 9/5 इन ए. ये तेरा स्कैनएफ रॉन्ग है. देख, परसेंट डी के बाद तूने डबल कोट्स को क्लोज नहीं किया है. आई कांट सी क्लियरली बट दैट्स विजिबल. आपका स्कैनएफ गलत है.
मेरा ना.
हाँ तेजस, तूने शेयर किया ना स्क्रीन?
नहीं सर, मेरा स्क्रीन
नहीं, मनन की बात कर रहा हूँ. सॉरी मनन.
हाँ सर वही.
परसेंट डी के बाद डी के बाद डबल कोट्स क्लोज कर फिर कॉमा दे.
क्या सर?
परसेंटेज डी स्कैनएफ का देख, परसेंटेज डी देखा,
हाँ दिखा.
उसके बाद डबल कोट्स क्लोज कर फिर कॉमा दे. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के डबल कोट्स की बात कर रहा हूं. और एम्परसेंड ए के बाद डबल कोट्स दिया है वो रॉन्ग है, निकाल दे.
ठीक है सर.
हो गया तेरा. एंड तेजस बोल तेरा क्या प्रॉब्लम है? प्रणाली गॉट द आंसर राइट, गुड. क्रिस यू गॉट द आंसर?
No, sir.
Why?
Maybe I did the wrong thing.
Okay, why
trying.
don't you share your no, why don't you share your screen?
Okay.
Did you get the previous program output?
Yeah.
Then okay. So let's see, everyone. You have an opportunity to help this Krish so that you can make your programming more powerful. I can't see your screen. एक मिनट.
सर अभी भी सेव बता रहा है.
मनन तेरा स्कैनएफ 100% गलत है. क्या लिखा अभी तूने, बता मुझे.
हाँ भेजता हूँ.
एक मिनट, स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा है क्रिस. क्रिस, आई कांट सी योर स्क्रीन.
Sir, I'm also not seeing.
So I'll stop sharing now. Let the Chris first share the screen. Okay, Chris was left out. So maybe you have a network issue. Yeah, Chris. Now I can see the Chris is sharing now. Let's wait. It may come.
Sir,
Yeah.
yet not put. Sir,
Yeah, I
yet
got
not
that.
Put semicolon.
Where? I can't see the
Sir,
screen now.
सर प्रिंट
Yeah,
के इधर भी सेमीकोलन नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Chris.
प्रिंट पूरा होने के बाद.
Yes, sir.
Printf statement is not having semicolon. Be there on the screen. Yeah.
Okay. I got
Yeah.
it, sir.
Yeah, let's compile now in front of all. This is something online compiler, right?
Because my compiler is not working today. I don't know why.
It's fine, no problem. So you can compile. This online compiler is also available. Hello everyone. I'll just share one of the online compiler as well. So you are getting any error now? Hashtag include stdio.h. Just a minute. What's the error? stdin compiler error. This is something which has nothing to do with our code. What is written before int? Something is there before int main. Some I can see dot.
No, that's a thing to
All
minimize it.
Okay. I got that. So there is two error, but both error has nothing to do with wrong processor directive. Hashtag include. Okay, why didn't you write it down? Hashtag include stdio. That's it. Just remove the semicolon. Remove dot h. Just for try. Okay, and let's compile. Okay, let's be there. Unexpected int. Now where is int? Int main. It's not allowing int main. Remove int main and put it void main.
Okay.
And return 0, make it comment. Void main and return 0, make it comment. Yeah, let's compile. Everyone will take just 2 more minutes. So you have a stdio error. Okay. Put it a one statement after stdio using namespace std Let me try one more time, the last time.
STD.
No. STDIO is correct. And on the next line, and then make a new line after angle bracket close. Yeah, using
Using
namespace. Give a space now. Namespace. Don't give a space between namespace. It's a single word. Namespace. Space. Give a one space and write down STD. Semicolon. And let's compile now. Wrong processor directive. So there is something problem in the compiler itself. No problem. Just save your program and reinstall that software called this one, please. Code blocks. Code blocks, maybe you have a one error. I'd like to give the settings, everyone. Just look at once. I am sharing my screen now. And then the one error, we will solve that. So let me share your screen. Please look at this screen, my screen.
Can I stop
Everyone.
sharing?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.